Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. We are playing Gotham Knights.
Hello!
Oh!
Ready?
Yeah, let's do this thing.
Oh wait, what's this? Oh,
Brew.
I'm being an idiot. I thought that was a button and then I... Don't judge me.
Be ready for anything, Ron.
Let me in!
Let me in. Let me in.
I'm in, Belfry.
Whoa, that was a big drop. Big drippity drop.
It's spooky in here, like a lair. No sign of anyone.
Strange location for it. Any indication of what they were doing there?
I'll see what I can find.
What you got? You gotta scan it.
I forget how to scan.
Hold down.
Moreno.
I did it.
I feel like I know that
okay.
name. Belfry, we have an open case file on the Moreno murder. Can you look it up?
Of course. The brother of Elena Moreno, a local judge. She took a leave of absence from the bench directly after
Coconut
for
coffee.
family reasons.
It was the Court of Owls. I'm going to look around for more information.
Get splayed, bitch.
This is where you have to connect stuff. I suck at doing this.
I don't even know what you're talking about.
Come to where I am and you can...
I mean, all I see is like stuff on a piece of paper. What the hell am I supposed to be looking at? Investigate?
Yeah.
What the hell is this crap? What the hell is this?
I don't know.
HWAP. Mop, mop, mop.
The fuck?
I mean, I'll let you figure it out.
Oh, I'm working on it. Okay. I kind of know what I'm doing. I'm gonna just try everything. Okay. The location is at the... Okay, no, I'm just being a dum-dum. Give me a second. Okay, that's not it either. Saying the location's at the hospital. Oh wait. What are the court's instructions?
Do you hear that?
Are you just tapping constantly?
No?
Are you sure?
You don't hear that?
No. I hear you tapping though in like real life.
No, you don't.
You're right, I don't. I don't.
I use the... My force is strong.
We playing Star Wars now?
No, but you didn't get it?
Oh crap, there's another thing here. Oh my gosh, okay. Okay, I didn't realize how many things there were. Oh my goodness. What do I do? It means purge. The rest of the text says kill all trespass. The image matches the one on the second order. Okay. I did something. Are you in a cutscene?
No.
Oh,
Are
that's
you?
funny. I see your batarangs flinging at me now in the
Looks like the
cutscene.
court gave a purge.
They're hitting the map.
Construction on the tunnel was shut down when the site was declared unsafe.
Ow, ow.
That seems convenient. The Court of Owls must have something
Stop
hidden
hitting
down
me.
there. Heading that way now.
Take
That
care.
was all we came down here for? What the shit, bruh?
Yeah, what of it? You got an issue? I'll meet
Yeah,
you
I
over
do.
there.
Oh! Caca!
I'm the bird?
Bitch, I'm a bird too. I'm a bat.
That's not. What?
Eat one.
No, you.
Let's not get into that right now.
I'm in.
I'm in too. Squingity squank.
How do we get over?
It's fucking dark as shit over here.
Where do we... Did we go too far? Oh wait, are we below and we're supposed to... Oh wait, no, hold on, there's a vent right here, a fan. I'm guessing this is it.
Yeah, I knew that. I knew that all along. I was just waiting for you to find out.
Oh yeah.
Whoa!
Oh yeah. Okay, here we go.
Hello? Hello? How do you get over this? It's not letting me.
I held X.
Okay, what the fuck? I just went to a cutscene to you.
Belfry? I'm in the tunnel. Looks like they hit some kind of chasm during construction. Chances are we'll lose comms down there. I'll check in as soon as I can.
We're gonna lose comms down here?
Yeah.
Whee! See you
We
later.
just like miss our jump and fall down. Why are you sprinting?
Sprint! Go! Oh, what's this? Hey, what the hell? Hey, get up on my face, bitch!
I got it. Hey.
I got it, haha!
Oh, we both got it?
Yeah, it's a cell phone.
Yeah, I stole it. I'm kidding, I left
Fucking
it there.
thief.
I didn't.
Thief!
Okay, Gollum.
Where are we going?
Up this way, I think. Are you behind me?
Yeah. When are we watching the... Oops, I died. When are we watching the Lord of the Rings movies again?
When do you want?
I'm asking. What the fuck? It's not letting me jump here.
You hold X, dude.
I fucking hate this game. This game sucks. Where am I?
Go down! Also, I know you don't hate it, because you're like, you want to play Gotham Dice? And I'm like, okay. The heck is this thing? A mummy?
It looks like you and mummification form.
I have glowing yellow eyes.
Yeah.
This thing's creepy.
Where am I?
You're never in my costume.
I know,
Actually,
they don't want to acknowledge
that's
me.
not true. You are sometimes in. Whoa, holy crap. Oh, we have to hit him with a ranged attack. Heavy one. Oh, did you see that?
Yeah, and I held him.
Oh wait, you did?
Yeah.
That's why he went so high. Alright. When we he's dead! Or knocked out, I mean.
He is?
I'm leaving you behind.
I'm fucked up.
Ugh.
What the fuck? I'm just trying to protect our backs.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
So we finally did a co-op
Operation.
thing, finally.
What is going on?
What do you mean?
here?
We've been doing co-op this whole time. What are you
No,
talking about?
with the takedown, the way that we kicked him. You held him and I messed him up.
What?
Hold X, you
You
can't...
were in my way!
I was?
Why is the mailbox thing open?
It's not.
What do you mean it is? What are you talking about? That's literally open.
It doesn't look like it's me, but I'll check it out. Whoa! Ugh. This is cool. Oh, what's this? I found a chest.
Mine.
It gave me. Oh, gee.
Get the hell out of the way!
Get out of my! I'm stuck. You blocked
Get
me.
out of the way!
I can't move. You blocked me in.
Hey, you made me get stuck.
But oh wait, was there a squeeze point right here? No. Oh no, never mind. All right, where do we go now? Down here. And then up here. Excuse me. It's creepy down here.
It's awesome down here.
Well, yeah, but it is creepy at the same time.
Nah, it ain't creepy at
I guess
all.
we drop. Whoa! Oh, I slid for a second. Oh, there's gonna be more enemies here. We're walking.
Yeah.
One.
How
Where is
many of
he?
you are there?
They want to fight?
There's another one.
Just like I practiced.
Oh my god, there's so many! Ah!
Ow!
Let's make this happen.
Ow!
How are they dodging like this? Like, come on.
That's their ability. They're good at dodging.
Dude, I'm getting fucked up over here with these
You have
stupid
to
fucking
keep-
things.
When they're able to dodge, you have to do a hold triangle, a strong range attack.
I wish I would have known that. That helped out a lot.
That they taught you with the first episode. The first episode.
Bruh, we haven't played this game in how
So
long,
the-
bitch?
No, I didn't mean the first episode. I meant the first enemy that we just fought like a couple minutes ago.
Oh, the first. I don't even remember then.
I said the first episode. Like I was like, huh?
I don't even remember then, though.
When it was 2 seconds ago.
You know how short-term memory was.
Wait, there's a chest over here.
Mine. Whoa, that was weird, like lag glitch. I
What
don't even know
happened?
what that is.
It was me opening the door.
Ugh.
It must have like messed it up when you saw it. Going up.
You just, oh my god, you just almost killed me.
Me?
Yeah.
How'd I do that?
You like pushed me because I was near the edge already, and you pushed me down, and I pressed L1 just in time.
Oh,
That
over
was
here.
scary.
Whatever they're after must be pretty valuable to put all this work in.
Pretty
Where's getting
valuable.
all this?
What's this stuff?
Holes in the rock.
Sample drilling.
They've extracted something from it.
I see a chest.
I found it. It's over here. Feb.
I was scanning that one of those things.
Okay. I'll scan this then. Okay, or you just get in my fucking way.
Sorry. I guess we go to this door, maybe? Let me in. It's locked. What's the code?
Eat my booty. That's the code.
Really?
Uh-huh.
I guess we have to do it in front of the lock.
Yeah, it has to be on cam.
I need
makes
to find a
sense.
fresh sample. Something pre-extraction.
Hey, look,
Whoops.
see? What are you doing?
I swung by accident. You judging me? Oh crap, we're under a waterfall.
Hell yeah.
Extraction room.
Imagine this
That
is the
should do.
Batcave. Because I think the Batcave had a waterfall.
Yeah, it did.
Extraction first. I'm not leaving a mysterious mine without a mysterious sample. Are you loving this as much as I am?
I see a chest. I'm not sure how to get to it. It's on this other side of the fence. Oh, the door's open.
So much ore. They don't seem to be getting a lot of whatever they're extracting out of it. I wonder where I can extract a sample of whatever they're
Oh, here's a mining line. Oh, I have to investigate something.
These samples have got to tell me something about what's going on here.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so gold, copper, salt, marble. Excuse me, I'm yawning over her. Oh. What is mag whatever? It's not. Okay, I don't know my metals. Oh wait, no. Okay, maybe it's just not good for injecting. What is marble? Are you hitting stuff again?
No.
I see the desk like spewing dust.
Spewing does?
Yeah, it's like spewing paper articles and... I don't know what. Aye.
Aye, aye, aye.
Hey, did you know you can skip the solutions in this?
Really?
I'm gonna do it.
Did you just skip it?
I'm about to, cause I'm being a real dum-dum in these things.
We did
Psych,
it!
I didn't skip it. I did that all by myself.
Dionysium. That sounds made up.
It's not. I knew it was that. I know
Let's
chemistry
see what it can
and
tell us back
stuff
at
like
the
that.
Belfry.
Dude, shut the hell up.
I guess we just leave this area. Can we go this way though? What's this way? Oh, we're supposed to go this way. Okay. You got the code? Crap! I'm locked in! Get me out of here! You got me stuck in a corner.
Yeah, go in the corner. In timeout.
I'm in timeout. I'm a bad Robin.
You a bad boy.
That'll get me out of here.
Hit it!
I did.
We both have to do it.
Fuck. That's dumb.
I look awesome.
Yeah. Fuck off.
Are we gonna have like a... This is gonna be a fighting arena.
Oh, yippee. So what's the heavy attack again?
Well, ranged is a hold triangle.
Okay.
You don't understand your place.
And then hold square is melee heavy attack.
Okay.
But on these
Yep.
guys, you have to do the hold triangle.
Yeah.
We are the protectors, not you. You're just bats.
Actually, I'm a Robin. Get it right.
This guy's really dramatic.
Right? We're just two people.
Well, it only looks like there's one right now.
I see you. Oh, but we're starting. Alright, hold. Ah, yeah! Hold triangle. Ah, ah! They like to do 2 attacks at once also. They do an attack and then immediately into another attack, so remember that.
Ah!
Don't forget your special abilities, R1 and then whatever direction.
What? I just did my fucking special! And it fucking cut off!
I wonder if we did it already though, or if this is just another wave. No, that's it, I think. Hey, where are you? You left me.
I'm in your butthole, don't worry.
I keep you in there to protect.
Yeah. Then you just squeeze me out when you need me.
Yeah, I need help.
My outfit was all white, I'm all brown now. From all the
Imagine
poop.
you came out dark.
I think I'm just about done with talons, thank you.
Oh, you cleaned yourself fast.
Yeah. I'm part cat, you didn't know that?
No. Run! Oh crap, there's enemies. Smack! Right in the head. Up here. Oh crap. Ah! Ah! Ah!
Ah!
Hurry up! You right behind me?
Yeah.
We did it. Suckers.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you're in a cutscene. Holy.
Right? That's fucking nuts.
Whoa. I didn't have time to put you in my butt that time because we were on a run.
Yeah, I know.
Now where am I?
Something's blocking the door.
Like what?
Probably debris from the cave-in.
Probably your butt.
Oh, right here. My butt can do everything, huh?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
One foot in front of the other.
Yeah.
I'm just cool like that, yo.
Put one foot in front of the other.
And soon you'll be walking out my butt.
I don't suppose that's the way out.
We can only hope.
Butt puns!
Oh, there's a chest back here.
Chest in your butt.
Yeah, I put it back here.
Can't even get in it, it's so tight. I got it.
Hey. Ow. Ow.
Belfry, can you hear me?
Belfry!
You want to just fast travel to the Belfry?
Yeah.
I'm fine, but there
Okay,
is so much
I'm gonna
to
finish
report.
this conversation,
The court is
though,
mining
obviously.
this strange element I've never heard of.
Get back over here, bitch. You little bird.
Hello?
Hello?
Are you still there?
Belfry! Belfry, where are you?
To do the simplest of tasks. We
Oh,
have things
fuck.
to discuss. Come find me.
I guess we're not going to the Belfry.
God damn it. This bitch.
Talia?
Yeah.
At least she's like pretty close.
Can't even call my Batmobile. Oh yeah, I can. There it is. Wonder why I couldn't call it out that one time. Oh, where's my Batmobile?
Maybe you were just
Hello?
hitting the wrong button.
Hello? Where's my Batmobile?
On the street. Look at your map. It should show where it is.
Oh, it's over here, eh?
You do know, like, you've probably been wasting time and I'm there already.
Oh well.
You'll be here in 5 seconds.
Eee, I'm on my Batmobile.
No, you ain't. Excuse me.
Fucker.
I meditate just like that.
Dude, if I saw her like that, I'd be like, ah! I would just go nuts.
Dang.
And they rule you. One and all.
The nursery rhyme was scary enough. How long have you known the court's real, Talia?
I can do
Show
that.
off.
When I
do
was
that
still
too.
part of the League, we observed the court's growth in Gotham. Now you can see the city's rotten core.
They're mining an element called Dionysium. Its makeup is similar to Lazarus Pit samples.
A foul substitute for the true miracle. A contaminated extract. For centuries, the court has been looking for a fountain of youth.
I want some of that
Instead, they found
coconut
the
coffee.
makings of
Ew.
It's good. I'm almost finished.
The talents. So they're
You should
using
make me a
Dionysium
cup.
to make
I'll
soldiers.
make you a cup when we're done.
I wonder why the League doesn't give the court the good stuff. They would probably pay a lot for a Lazarus Pit.
Even in their current debased state, the League would never descend to such banality. And the court's greed and corruption prevent them from ever mastering the secrets of the Lazarus Pits.
I mean, the League creates monsters too. Look at your father.
Ah, those are some harsh words. Would you say your friend Jason is a monster as well?
Of course that was you. Jason never asked you to bring him back like that, Talia.
I suppose gratitude was too much to expect in exchange for another stab at life.
You
Gratitude
wouldn't
and
dare use the word
latitude.
gratitude if you knew what he's been through.
With Bruce gone, the court's operation grows. The League of Shadows will raze Gotham to the ground unless you silence the court.
So if we take down the court, the League will just let Gotham be? Without Batman, everyone's making their moves. I'm just wondering what yours is.
I'll do what I can to distract the League. And your path to the Court of Owls will be clear.
Yeah, she's gonna fall off. Yep, saw that coming.
There you are. I was wondering where you went from. Wait, what?
This must be how Montoya feels.
I had to be shit out of your butthole. You don't remember?
Yeah. Oh, now we return to Belfry. I'll fast travel there. Oh. We're actually really close. Let's just go there.
No, bitch.
Okay. Okay.
I just want to travel.
Once I remember how to... Okay, there we go.
That's the real reason. You're like, let's just go there.
Did I do it? Oh, yeah, 1 second. Okay. Dang. Oh, wow, no crimes. Oh, we forgot to do crimes.
Oh well, we're busy.
Yeah, busy dealing with Talia and whatever she's up to.
Hey Alfred, did the city records turn up anything?
They didn't. According to the city permits, there's been no mining in Gotham City since the cauldron was completed.
Did my jacket change?
Judging from what we found last night,
Did it? I don't
they've been
know.
digging down
I
there for
swore it was
centuries.
green. Just before.
Well, I mean, you expect them to stay in the same clothes all the time?
Yeah, Yeah, because it's a video game.
Oh. Well, maybe he's washing
Just listen,
them.
Alfred. Babs managed to repair
In
some
game.
recorded voice recordings.
Dionysium brought the Talons back to life.
I'm wearing the same outfit.
Sort of.
Are you?
Dionysium's basically
Okay, maybe I'm just being an
Lazarus
idiot and
with
it's the same
water.
outfit.
Brings back motor functions.
I don't
But free
know.
will's as good as gone.
So, what is a Talon exactly? Some kind of feral zombie assassin?
We've all seen weirder shit. Maybe.
Feral zombie. Sounds like Jason, all right.
Yeah.
I recognize a voice. The older woman is Constance Cobblepot, I'm fairly certain.
And the others?
More difficult to say. Maybe if I heard them in person.
In person. Tim, put the waveforms on the screen.
It's hard to find a match with all the damage and voice modulation. Maybe the matching system would have better luck if...
We match what we have against the live voices.
Fun, but how do we find these jackasses?
2 words. Orchard Hotel.
The Masquerade. The event of the season. This year's dedicated to Master Bruce.
Gotham's rich dress up and pretend they're humanitarians. I've been a few times.
So it's Dirtbag Central.
With so many of Gotham's elite together, security at the Masquerade will be tight. Finding out their plans first would give you an important advantage.
I'll tweak our masks to record telescopic audio.
If we can get a good vantage point, we may be able to put some faces to these mystery voices.
Sounds like our kind of party.
It's a party. It's a party up in here.
Got new intel for the evidence board.
Alright, guys.
Alrighty.
We'll see you in the next video. Like and subscribe. Bye.
The head of security at the Orchard Hotel, Mr. Hendricks.